have a golden topper morning. So now guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating deliverable unit na 1BR here in Park 1. So, ito yung ating pinaka-entrance door. And then, pagpasok nyo, ito yung ating mini salas. Yan, ito po siya. Mini salas natin. And this unit of 1BR is estimated to 28 square meter. Actually, it will cost to 28 to 31 square meter in our 1BR. So, pagpasok niyo po dito guys, ito na po yung ating kitchen. Ito po yung ating kitchen guys. This is our kitchen hood and included the cabinets. Yan, included na po yung ating cabinets. At naka-ready na rin yung ating range hood. And ang ating mga cabinets here is included for the deliverable. And also guys, meron tayong balcony. Our balcony is have the 3.5 meters na nakalagay at ang ating high grills. So, hindi kayo worried na pag may mga bata, na kasi hindi po siya makakalusot dyan dahil mataas po yung ating grills. So, next guys is our one bedroom. So, come on. Tingnan natin yung ating 1BR. So, ito yun guys, yung ating 1BR. Since na-dress up siya, yung nasa taas naman guys is si buyer na natin ang mag-design. But our wardrobe is included. Yan. Ang wardrobe natin guys, as dress up na kasi to, pinalitan na lang ng salamin. Pero in normal deliverable, ano lang siya, wood lang siya sa deliverable. So, nalagyan lang siya, na-change siya ng salamin for your, so, ayun. So, ang ating ding window ay ayan na siya. Sliding window na nakaganon siya. So, ayan. So, hindi tayo worried na kasi may lock yan. Double lock po din siya, guys. So, napaka-nice ng ating project here in Park 1. Our Park 1 is still pre-selling and we are offer also here the promo. Every day you can visit us in our place here in Park 1. At ito pa na guys ang CR natin. At for your idea lang dito is para maging less space is yung ating TV. Pwede nyo din siyang ilagay. Yung ating TV na naka-wall lang siya. So para less
wall
space.
Mount.
Naka-wall siya. Wall. So, and then, of course, yung ating toilet, guys, naka-ready na yung ating, dito, lagayan ng inyong automatic washing machine. And, of course, dito din sa ating cabinets. Tapos, ayan. And, of course, yung ating toilet, guys, sa deliverable, kayo na rin yung maglalagay ng ganito. Pero, ito na siya. Kompleto na siya is all tiles na. Ito lang, yung division lang ng partition ng glass. Ayan na siya. Naka-tiles na po siya. Ceramics. It's a ceramics tiles. Ayun. So, ayan guys, for all the inquiries, just PM me here in Park 1. Park 1 is located in Daang Rajal 2, Barangay Saputi, Las Piñas, here in Park 1. Park 1 is developed by a golden topper. So guys, lahat ng inquiries, just drop down your comment for more details. So, thank you everyone. Bye-bye.